glorious summer's evening in Leicestershire. Motorcycles only. Here we are at the factory visitor experience, Triumph headquarters in Hinckley, Leicestershire, England. I'm a bit early, I'm about an hour early. You have a good trip here?
Yeah, I didn't come far.
Where you come?
Glenfield, that's all.
Oh, just down the road.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
One last rev. Looks like they're running out of room. New Speed Triple 1200 RX Limited Edition was proudly on display outside the factory entrance. Refined for ultimate track focus, the Limited Edition delivers a higher performance of 183 PS, 180.5 brake horsepower at 10,750 RPM. I want to thank Charlotte, who worked on the bike and initially gave me the rundown on some of the bike's developments whilst in production. I think this limited edition looks awesome, coming equipped with an Acro exhaust, Brembo Stylomed calipers and MCS master cylinder, clip-on handlebars, front lift control, Öhlins mechatronic steering damper, an exclusive for the RX, Öhlins Smart EC3 semi-active suspension, brake slide assist, Supercourse SPV3 tyres, traction control, shift assist and O-caps being optimised cornering ABS. Yes, please. Thank you very much. How much is that? $7.95.
First of all, the bushes we keep in oil. It keeps the bristles nice and flat so they don't dry out and start curling up. The last thing we want is a curly brush. So clean the thinners out and rinse it in a cleaner thinner so we get all the oil out of it. And the way I mix my paint is the way I was taught back in 1977, which was using cellulose lacquer.
You can smell it, can't you? Did
Yeah.
you ever get sort of come away at the end of the day feeling a little bit hot?
Oh no, it was the smell of paint that dragged me into the paint shop at Meriden Triumph many years ago.
Yeah.
I didn't really want to be in the paint shop. I wanted to be in the engineering, but there was no jobs at the time when I got the job full time.
Yeah.
And the foreman at the time said, well, when a job comes up, we'll come and get you down the machine shop. And when a job did come up, I was hooked on the smell of this paint. It was no, I'll stay where I am, thanks. I'm glad I did, because yeah, this job it just fascinated me when I first saw the old guys doing it.
So if you do, what's the percentage? Would there ever be one that's not quite good enough or perfect and it has to
No, the premise I was given when I started the job was go ahead and practice. I had 2 tanks to practice on for about 2 to 3 months, and I was told, when you think you're good enough, come and show me it. And at that point I thought, well, what's the quality standards we're working to here, because I didn't know.
Yeah.
Then I did one day and I thought, that really looks good, and I took it to him and he said, yeah, great production Monday morning.
Yeah.
And Monday morning when I loaded this brush, it was doing that. When I got near the tank I thought, oh.
And I even thought of a silly question, like if you went out on a Sunday night to like a wedding and you start work in the morning,
I do get asked that quite a lot. No,
it's the day after, so you couldn't drink the night before.
I was always taught, you always look where you're going, not where you've been. There's a lot of people that I train over the years, they're just looking what they're painting.
Checking the quality of it.
I said, well, if you rode a bike, would you keep looking back where you've been? This is really hard to do, actually get the actual consistency of this paint right. And luckily for us, we've got like a liquid gold paint now.
Yeah, actually gold plated.
Yeah, it's just like a gold paint we use. It's it works a lot better for me to train people with, just trying to train someone to actually get the consistency right. Because it's a feel. And it's not something you can like write down, you know, like a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Basically you have to feel like a resistance on it when you're actually pelleting, which is what this is called. You're pelleting the paint into the brush.
Just get the consistency right. So you're doing this for tonight's bike night.
Yeah.
So you've done this one. What do you do? Like rub it off again and then just do it again?
Oh yeah.
Because you say this is a practice tank.
Oh yeah, practice tank.
So you just rub it off and just keep doing it.
Rub it. This tank's been painted, rubbed off that many times.
Right.
It's a wonder there's any paint left on it.
So you could do this with your eyes closed.
Because the actual tank was painted, not to say 15, 20 years ago, so the paint is absolutely rock hard. It's been stowed so many times.
It looks absolutely amazing.
But,
So what would you sort of timescale for a tank? Are you literally, are you on a production line where there's one tank after another?
it depends on the tank. I mean, some tanks are easier than others. Some will just have maybe one line from point, like, for instance, that design, it's just one line straight through. That's not so bad. You've got one that side, one that side. This one is basically 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Both.
Is there a problematic bike that you always think, oh, it's not that one, and there's the one that's like an easy one?
When I'm training as well, people seem to favour one side because they go, oh, no, that's not too bad. And I say, wash it off. And they say, but it looks all right. So yeah, you've done it once, you can do it again. It's one of them. I say, well, you're happy to do that. Concentrate on the one you struggle with, and if you can get that right, the one you always feel comfortable with, it'll be easy to do. So yeah, and to answer your question, it's really just a case of...
Give me a little sample of that.
So what you do is...
Rub it off. Comes off quite easily.
Yeah, just wipes it.
Just thinners, is it?
Thinners. This one here we use to clean the guns, and it's got like acetone in it, so it dries really quick.
Yeah. If you ever fancied having a go at this, we're doing a taster class on the 8th of June. So we've still got some spaces available. I think we are going to do
So you can sign up and come along and
practice. So you just scan that QR code over there. You've got the video code.
Okay, cool. I'll have a look. Thank you. That's excellent. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
They could have blasted the flame and got rid of
When is it?
Next Friday.
Where?
Next week, Mallory Park.
Okay, thank you. See you guys. Really? Oh, it's a good bike to start off with.
Going past the test second week of December.
Yeah.
Getting road since till last 2 nights ago.
It's a good bike. She can flat foot.
Yeah, just about. Yeah.
It's a good bike to start off with. I like that. I like the Trident. Where are you going back? How far to go back?
No, we don't really live in Hinckley.
Oh. Should be all right then. Have a safe journey back.
more and more of a struggle getting your leg over.
You made that look difficult.
Do that.
All the practice you've had getting your leg over.
Age.
I know what you mean.
That's the trouble. That's a great sounding engine, that is.
See ya.